guys, so welcome back to another video. So my camera died yesterday at the end of the video, so I did not do an ending, but today I'm here. I'm about to do my makeup real quick. That's why y'all already zoomed in. Y'all see my face? Like, them facials really are so bomb, and I love them. I love them. So we're about to hop right into this makeup look because we don't have time to waste. Alright, so I kind of like this purple right there. Like, I just had it against my shirt, and it's like that purple right there. So I'm about to sit. So you know I'm using my NYX brow gel. V-Luxe by Envy. These lashes is about to be so bomb. Alright, so now we're gonna get into this makeup. We're gonna put on this Fenty primer and this Fenty foundation. What? You don't? What year was you born? So we can use that Fenty setting spray.
I run it up, they busy running their mouth. I'm a real ass, rich ass bitch from the street. No nigga wanna taste on me. Nigga don't FaceTime my line. Just come put face on me. Got M's in the Swiss off short.
I just took my hair out the ponytail and it just was like this, but I was going to wear the ponytail though. So should I not do it in a ponytail?